My name is Baron Martin, Max Boost Wireless, based here in Orange County, California. Max Boost Wireless custom designs, professionally engineers, and professionally installs FCC and carrier-approved cellular repeater solutions for homes, for businesses of all sizes, to improve cellular coverage for all carriers. Each of the systems that we sell are backed with a 3-year warranty, which is the best in the industry. It has a built-in Sentry monitor, which allows us to monitor that booster via app through iOS or Android. We do very rigorous, extensive training for all of our technicians, so they're certified on all the products. They have professionally installed these systems nationwide in large corporations, anywhere from a Fortune 100 all the way up to a 2,500 company, down to a small retail shop. The crazy thing is, we have never advertised ever, not one penny. All of our customers have been referrals. Because of that, we really have that customer base that is very loyal because we've done such an amazing job. We really hold everybody's hand through the process. We have a dedicated team that's aligned to you and your company through the entire process. All we're asking is for you to give us a call so we can custom design, professionally engineer a system, and put together a free budgetary quote to show you exactly what it would cost to build out your building to bring 5 bars inside.